Greetings, this is Mr. Chu here, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to apply special right triangle ratios. And here's our problem. We've got an isosceles right triangle. So that means our base angles are congruent, and also our legs are congruent. Now, if you recall from your investigation, the hypotenuse is going to be whatever the measure of the leg of this isosceles right triangle is times the square root of 2. That's going to be your hypotenuse. And in this case, our hypotenuse measures 6 units. So how do we find out what m is? Well, we said that the hypotenuse was equal to m times the square root of 2. So how do we undo this multiplication? Well, we're going to have to divide. Divide by the square root of 2. Now, what happens is we have m equal to 6 over root 2. But in math, this is a big no-no. Having a square root on your denominator, it's just not allowed. So we have to make this wrong or right by doing something called rationalizing. And the way we do that is very cleverly multiplying by 1. Notice that anything divided by itself is just 1. So this is actually equal to 1. Now when we're multiplying fractions, we have to keep in mind that we're multiplying straight across. So this is going to be 6 times the square root of 2 over, now think about it, what's square root of 2 times the square root of 2? If you need to, you can take out your calculator, but it's not as hard as you think. Square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is just 2. We're almost done. Notice that we have something that we can simplify. What's 6 divided by 2? Well, that's just 3. So this is going to be 3 times the square root of 2. Now we established that the two legs of this isosceles right triangle are congruent. So that means that 3 times the square root of 2 is the same measure for both m and n. And there you have it.